We're down 50 points on the Nifty, 23,200. So, decent kind of close. Yesterday it was about 23,100 and today 23,200. So slow and steady, but not falling anymore. The Nifty Bank down about 1/3% by close, and 1 3/4 in the mid-cap index, small-cap index about 1% higher is essentially what we saw.
Well, in the large cap space, Ultratech Cement, top gainer, up nearly 7%. Grasim, Wipro, Shriram Finance, Eicher Motors, Sun Pharma, these stocks were up anywhere between 2 to 2.5%. On the whole, autos had a decent day because it wasn't just M&M, but even an Eicher Motors ended up in the green. Tata Motors had a gain of 1.5%, and Hero Motor closing up more than 1%. On the way down, BPCL post numbers under pressure. HCL Tech has been the weakest large cap IT earnings so far, and that continues to come under pressure. Kotak Mahindra Bank weak. SBI, Reliance Industries, that heavyweight tanked in trade, and HUL also on the red, ending in the red but off the high lows.
Yeah, and it's a good day of recovery for the mid-cap. Second day running, we've seen that recovery continue. Pidilite on the back of decent numbers, 5.5% higher. Swiggy managed to make a comeback as well, 6% higher. Zomato was up about 2% as well. I mean, these are areas where there's been a lot of price damage this week. Today was a day of recovery, and you can count in the entire EMS space in that light as well. So whether it's stocks like Amber or Dixon or a PG Electroplast, largely speaking, there were gains for most of these companies, Canes, etc. Most were up and about in positive territory. But the day has to belong to mid-cap IT, thanks to some sparkling numbers that we've seen from the likes of Coforge. That stock's ending up about 11.5% on the higher side. The Zensar, 12% up. It took the entire pack up with it, actually. Sonata Software, 6% higher. So big day of gains for many of these companies. And finally, another trend, there's some buying re-emerging in PSUs and on decent volumes as well. So your NMDC, SJVN, RVNL, SAIL, BEL, some sparks of green on most of these stocks as well. Good day of recovery for mid-caps, almost 1,000 points up on the mid-cap index. Well, with that, it's curtains on this edition of Closing Bell. Thank you for being with us, but don't go anywhere else because we have Markets Forward coming up next in just a bit.